If you're in search of a free, high-quality photo editor and prefer not to invest in an expensive program like Photoshop, you have numerous alternatives to explore. Whether you're looking to enhance a photo with basic edits or require advanced features, there's always a fantastic and free alternative available to cater to your specific needs. Today, I'm going to be showing and talking about the top 5 best free photo editing software. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop for more content. Now, let's jump into the pros and cons of the top 5 free photo editing software. Starting our list with an absolute powerhouse, we have Darktable. This open source gem is perfect for those who shoot in RAW. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Darktable stands out with its non-destructive workflow, as it excels in color correction tools, giving you precise control over hues and shades in your photos. This means photographers can enhance and fine-tune their images with accuracy for a personalized and visually appealing outcome. Darktable's appeal lies in its non-intrusive edits and advanced color correction features, making it a powerful choice for photographers looking for professional post-processing capabilities. One of the standout features of Darktable is its non-destructive workflow. This means you can make edits without altering your original image, preserving its quality. Another big pro is its advanced color correction tools, giving you precise control over every hue and shade in your photo. On the flip side, Darktable presents a steeper learning curve, making it potentially challenging for beginners due to its overwhelming interface. In contrast to more mainstream software, it might lack an extensive collection of community tutorials, further impacting accessibility for those seeking comprehensive guidance. Next up, we have the GNU Image Manipulation Program, or GIMP. It's been a staple for photo editing enthusiasts for years. The pros of GIMP is that it's loaded with features and stands out for its versatility, supporting a wide range of file formats. What makes it really shine is the huge community around it, providing a ton of tutorials and plugins. These not only beef up its capabilities but also add to the overall user experience. With this extensive support system, users can dive into a treasure trove of knowledge, making GIMP a solid pick for anyone looking for a powerful and flexible image editing solution. On the downside, GIMP's interface, although powerful, can be somewhat intimidating for beginners. It lacks the sleekness found in certain premium software, potentially making the learning curve steeper for those new to image editing. Additionally, as with any sophisticated tool, mastering all of GIMP's capabilities may require a significant time investment. While it offers robust features, users should be prepared to navigate through a less user-friendly interface and invest time in acclimating to its intricate functionalities. Moving on to the online sensation, Photopea. Photopea excels in accessibility, a key advantage that sets it apart. Its web-based nature allows seamless photo editing from any device with an internet connection, providing unparalleled convenience. This flexibility transforms it into a portable Photoshop alternative, making it a game-changer for users constantly on the move. Moreover, Photopea is feature-rich, offering a comprehensive set of tools comparable to traditional desktop applications. Its user-friendly interface ensures a smooth editing experience, even for beginners. The platform's compatibility with various file formats further enhances its versatility. With Photopea, users not only enjoy the power of a sophisticated photo editing tool but also the freedom to edit and create from virtually anywhere. However, Photopea has limitations. Its reliance on an internet connection may hinder users in areas with poor connectivity, affecting the editing experience. Moreover, despite mirroring Photoshop's functionality to a large extent, Photopea might lack some advanced features found in its desktop counterpart. Users seeking highly specialized tools and intricate functionalities may find Photopea falling short in comparison to more robust desktop applications. Now, let's talk about Pixlr. Pixlr stands out for its blend of simplicity and functionality. With a user-friendly interface, it caters to beginners while offering a wide array of tools, making it versatile for users of all levels. It excels in basic edits, providing a straightforward and accessible platform for those who may be new to photo editing or simply prefer a hassle-free experience. Yet, Pixlr might not have the same advanced features as some other options. If you're a pro photographer needing intricate editing capabilities, Pixlr might feel a bit limited. And while it's user-friendly, the simplicity could be a drawback for advanced users seeking more control. Last but not least, let's explore Canva. It's renowned for graphic design, has grown into a robust photo editing tool. Its standout feature is user-friendliness. Even without technical expertise, users can craft impressive edits effortlessly through Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Whether for personal projects or professional endeavors, Canva's accessibility makes it an excellent choice for users seeking a seamless and enjoyable editing experience. While primarily known for graphic design, Canva has evolved into a powerful photo editing tool. The pros: it's incredibly user-friendly. If you're not a tech whiz, you can still create stunning edits with Canva's drag-and-drop interface. However, Canva's photo editing capabilities might not match up to specialized software. If you're a professional photographer with intricate editing needs, you might find Canva a bit too basic. Also, while it's free, some premium features may come with a price tag. In conclusion, each of these free photo editing software options has its unique strengths and drawbacks. The best choice depends on your individual needs and skill level. Whether you're a pro or just starting, there's a tool out there for you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.